Hi everyone. So usually you see me out there making lovely videos about new bikes, but the reality is sometimes the bikes that we get in do need fixing. So we've got a bike in today with some Hope Tech 4 brakes on there. As you can see, there's literally no resistance on the brake whatsoever. So what this needs is it needs a rebuild kit. It's leaking basically, the master cylinder. So we're going to whip this off and we're going to show you the process of how we rebuild them. That's the master cylinder off. We'll go over to the workbench now and we'll get it all stripped down. Internal parts out of the master cylinder, and as you can see there's various seals on there, and these are the things that fail. So over time the rubber will become perished and it will start to leak and it will reduce your brake performance. So we'll get all these seals changed out, get everything cleaned up and get it all back together. That's the brake cylinder all rebuilt, and now we're going to get the bleeding process done and make it like new again. brake system is now complete. We'll just stick some pads in it and then it's ready to go. If you'd like any servicing, repairs or upgrades for your e-bike, then give the team a call or view the website.